In today's video, we'll guide you through how to make a bar chart in Google Sheets. First of all, select the data you want to make your bar graph or chart with. Then go to the top of Excel and click on Insert. Click on Chart, and you'll get the chart editor appear on the right. Navigate to Setup and Chart Type. Now choose the chart type. In this case, I want a bar chart, so I'll click on it. There it is. You can then click, hold, and drag to position it where you want. This has been Solution Junkie. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.